Tip 1. Shake the cup to peel boiled eggs quickly and cleanly. Peeling each egg by hand while it's still hot. The eggs are slippery, the shells stick to the whites and break into small pieces, which is time-consuming and makes the surface of the eggs rough and difficult to present nicely. Place the boiled eggs in a cup with a little water, cover the cup with a lid or your hand, and shake vigorously. The impact cracks the eggshell and separates it from the inner membrane. After a few seconds of shaking, simply pour out the water and remove each egg to peel them quickly, cleanly, and keep their shape intact. This method uses water to reduce friction and separate the membrane from the white, making peeling smooth and minimizing breakage, which is very effective when peeling many eggs at once. Tip 2. Separate the egg whites and yolks using skewers. Crack the eggs directly into the bowl and try to separate the yolks using chopsticks or a spoon. When the yolks fall into the thin egg whites, they break easily, and the thin membrane stretches when stirred, causing the mixture to blend and lose its ability to separate. Place skewers across the rim of the bowl, arranging them evenly to form a flat surface. Then crack the egg on top. The skewers create small gaps, with enough space for the whites to flow into the bowl below, while the yolk remains intact on top. After a few seconds, once all the whites have drained, simply lift the skewers and transfer the yolk to another bowl. This method allows the whites to flow down by gravity, while the yolks remain intact on the skewers thanks to the membrane. It's clean, easy to control, and minimizes yolk breakage, making it ideal for baking or sauces that require separate components. Tip 3. Create decorative patterns. Do not use a knife to directly carve patterns onto the egg. This method is prone to cutting into the yolk, causing the egg to break, become uneven, and lose its aesthetic appeal. The torn egg white layer makes the surface look bad and difficult to present. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Roll a piece of white thread into a circle and secure it with toothpicks at both ends. Prepare boiled eggs and peel them. Pierce the tip of the toothpick into the center of the egg and pull the thread up and down around the surface. The thread creates thin grooves on the egg white, creating a pattern and slight curves without damaging the inside. This method creates delicate patterns, allows for easy control of force and direction, and leaves the egg surface clean and intact, perfect for decorating dishes or presenting at parties, in salads, and in bento boxes. Tip 4. Separate the egg whites and yolks using a vegetable peeler. Crack the egg directly onto the grater and use your hand to press the yolk through the slits. Pressing too hard can tear the membrane surrounding the yolk, causing it to mix with the whites and making it impossible to separate them. Additionally, oil or grease on your hands or the grater can cause the whites to stick to the grater surface, making it difficult for them to flow into the bowl and resulting in a sticky mixture that cannot be separated. Place the grater over the bowl, choosing one with appropriately sized holes. Pour the egg onto the grater and let the whites flow through the holes naturally due to their thin consistency. The yolk, which is thicker and has a membrane, will remain on top, intact. After 3 to 6 seconds, lift the grater and transfer the yolk to a separate bowl. Tip 5. Steam eggs in a zip-top bag. Neat, clean, and easy to shape. Cracking eggs directly into boiling water and then trying to add vegetables afterward. This method makes it difficult to control doneness, vegetables separate, eggs break apart, and they don't form a cohesive mass. The result is loose, easily crumbled, and hard to present. Place 3 eggs in a zip-top bag. Next, add bell peppers, tomatoes, and green onions. Seal the bag tightly and shake vigorously to mix the eggs and vegetables evenly. Bring a pot of water to a gentle boil, then place the egg bag in the pot and keep it there for a few minutes until the eggs set into a solid mass. Finally, cut the bag open and slide the egg mixture onto a plate, forming a neat, colorful roll of eggs and vegetables. This method preserves the shape, mixes the ingredients evenly, and requires no added oil or fat. The result is visually appealing, easy to slice, and perfect for bento boxes, breakfast, or healthy meals. Tip 6. Steam eggs to separate the yolk and white in a cup. Pour both the yolk and white into the same cup and steam them together. The heat causes the two parts to cook unevenly, the colors to blend, and the layers to run, preventing a nice separation for presentation. Separate the yolks and whites using the eggshell. Prepare a tall cup, pour the egg whites into it, and steam it first. When the egg whites have stiffened, use a large straw to pierce them. Pour the remaining egg yolks into a cup with a narrow mouth. Pour the set yolk onto a temporary plate to create a gap. Steam for an additional 6 to 8 minutes until the whites are completely set. Finally, invert the cup onto a plate to remove the two-layer egg mass. The two-stage steaming technique helps separate the colors clearly, creates a smooth surface and firmer egg layers, and is suitable for slicing for decoration in bento boxes, salads, or other delicately presented dishes. Tip 7. Eggs not sticking to the pan. Crack eggs directly onto an old nonstick pan or cast iron pan without enough oil. The egg whites will easily stick to the pan, spread unevenly, and be difficult to keep round. When removing them, the edges will tear or break, and the yolks will easily bump and break. Preheat the pan, brush with a thin layer of oil, then place a sheet of parchment paper, wax paper, on the pan surface. Crack the egg onto the parchment paper. The whites will stay contained within the paper, cook evenly, and not stick to the pan surface. When the egg reaches the desired doneness, simply lift the parchment paper and slide the egg onto a plate. This method helps control the shape of the fried egg, making it easy to remove without flipping or turning, suitable for sunny side up style, or when you need to present the egg beautifully. 7 simple tips to make cooking with eggs neater, faster, and more visually appealing. Have you tried any of these tips yet, or do you know any other great egg tips? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so everyone can discover more great kitchen tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.